there's so much attention on them, and I'm taking this class, and it kind of makes me feel special in a way.
Folks, welcome to today's installment of History of the Gun.
CSPAN is a series called Lectures in History, where they record professional, history professors lecturing their classes they normally would. CSPAN has asked if I'd be willing to talk about or have a crew in to film me doing one of my classes.
And on top of that,
it would be kind of ideal if we did something with my History of the Gun course, which I'm teaching right now.
I've never been a part of anything like this before, so yeah, it's different for me.
The notion that Americans win the revolution because they're born soldiers.
Most of the time I give a lecture, if I don't like it, eventually I'll forget about it. This one will be recorded, and anytime I want to see it or don't want to see it, it's there online. But I'm happy the way it went off.
I'll look it up online, see my own face on it. That'd be nice. The class is History of the Gun. We started out, we're just, got the basic terms of guns out the way, and really clears up some misconceptions that most people have about guns. It's really interesting to see how muskets work and all that.
I think it really was a good experience, and you appreciate the spotlight on Wright State. As do I. This is one of the reasons I look for things like this. It's nice to have something that, they have some attention paid to activity at Wright State.
Whether they're just simply trying to start a new life for themselves, few soldiers become soldiers